We just want to let everyone know that everything is fine here at CUA. We have a little snow, so I'm going to take you for a walk around campus and have you see what's going on. Take care. The main roads on campus are all plowed. The crews have been working all night to make sure that public safety can continue to make its rounds and that, God forbid, if an emergency vehicle had to come, they could get through to where they were needed. So the main roads on campus are all plowed. We are in McMahon parking lot, and there we have the beginning of Mount McMahon. As you can see, they're piling up all the snow in the center of the parking lot so that they'll have places to put cars. Chris Castellano, our resident engineer, has marked a broomstick with inches, and right now we are at 17 inches. Life is beginning to arrive back on campus, which surprises me. Most of the time when they have a snow day, they sleep till 1 o'clock. But here are three of our finest. Say hello to your parents.
Hi! We're hungry, we're getting eggs.
Yeah, we want our eggs for our breakfast.
Our maintenance crews have a plan, and they know which sidewalks to shovel when. Right now, they're concentrating on the sidewalks that go to the Prisbilla Center where breakfast is being served, and they're concentrating on the sidewalks that go from the residence halls. Later on, they'll get the sidewalks for all the academic buildings. They are really well planned and coordinated, and they've been working a long time. There you go.
Hi!
I survived.
I love it, Dad! Hey, Kevin! The blizzard's we're safe. There's like a billion inches of snow. The fridge is open. So
The fridge is open. They're getting breakfast. Amen.
Amen.
Hi everybody, these are our kitchen staff. They stayed overnight to make sure that everyone had more than enough to eat. These 5 brave people are going to be serving all the food for our campus for the foreseeable future, I think. And they're here and they're dedicated and they're ready. Take care, lots of food. I'll show you in a minute. You know, some of you might be concerned about if your kids are eating well during this storm. How many of you have chefs making you custom omelets? Some more staff who are preparing breakfast. As you can see, there's more than abundance. Lots of food, no kids. Guess where they are? All sleeping. They'll be up in a little while. Take care. Here at Catholic U, we probably have the only Starbucks that's open wherever. No one else. Who could be open? Here we go, the main sidewalk from Millennium North and the North neighborhood, all plowed right down to the pavement, ready. And also the main sidewalk behind